Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use filters during Facebook Live. First, open the Facebook app on your Android phone or iPhone and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Check that your app is updated to the latest version so all filters and effects are available. On the home screen, tap on What's on Your Mind and then choose the live video option to begin setting up your live stream. Next, Facebook will open the live camera screen. If this is your first time using Facebook Live, the app may ask for permission to access your camera and microphone. Tap Allow so your audience can see and hear you clearly. After granting permission, you'll land on the live setup screen where you can preview your video before going live. Now, look for the magic wand or effect icon. Tap on it to open the effects panel. Here, you will find a wide range of options including beauty filters, color filters, lighting effects, and interactive AR lenses designed specifically for the live videos. After that, scroll to the filters and select the one you want to use. When you tap on any filter, it will apply instantly so you can see how it looks in real time. Take a moment to test different filters and choose the one that matches your lighting, background, and overall vibe of the live stream. Once your filter is selected, you can add more elements to your live video. You can write a short description or title, add text on the screen, tag friends, or share your location. You can also switch between the front and back camera if you want to show something around you during the live stream. Finally, when everything is ready and you're happy with how it looks, tap on Go Live. Your live video will start immediately and the selected filters will remain active throughout the stream. If needed, you can still explore other effects or adjust settings while you're live to keep the broadcast more engaging. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.